So welcome guys, another video now. This is JavaScript. So in this lesson we learn together about this is our page. We'll make the inspect here. Okay, we will go to the console there. Okay, if you want, we can make several function or several thing inside the console in order to see our result. We can make a simple alert like so. We write alert. This is an alert on the console. Okay, when you press enter, this is our alert display displayed on the screen. Okay, you can also test our thing if you want. We can make some arithmetic operation. 7 plus 7 equals to 14. 10 minus 3 equals to 7. Also, 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. Okay, you can make several arithmetic operation on the console, and we can see also the result. Okay, if you want, you can also use the console.log in order to log some messages. Okay, console.log hello JavaScript, for example. Okay, like so. Okay, when we press enter there, we should see hello JavaScript as a message displayed on the console. Okay, the console log help us to log a message or show a message on the console log directly. Okay, good job. We are testing other methods. For example, we can use the console.warn. It should display a warning on the console. This is a warn or this warning as you want, like so. Press enter. Okay, good job. This is a warning successfully displayed there. Okay, we proceed our test. For example, console.error in order to display some errors on the console. This is an error, like so. Okay, we press enter now. Okay, congratulations. This is an error displayed successfully also. Okay, now if you want, we can test several things. For example, we can create, if you want, an object, const users. We can create inside a table of objects if you want. It's just a test to learn more and more how to use tables on the console. Okay, the first object will be the name, which is Rami, for example. Copy paste several times. Okay. Now if you want, we can log the object, which is users. We will use now console.table and we will pass users inside the brackets like so. Okay. Now we can press enter. Congratulations, good job, console.table. It displayed successfully our table like a table on the console. Okay. Okay, good job. Good job. Now, if you want, we can use other methods. Okay. For example, console.group. We'll see together how to display a group using our console inside the console. Okay. Console.group. The title will be user info, for example. We'll use the console.log in order to show, for example, a message if you want, or something like the name equal, for example, Rami. Okay, like so. Also, if you want, you can add console.log the city or the country, I don't know, the place, for example, Tunisia, like so. Okay, good job. Okay, and also read console.log another thing if you want, I don't know, the age, or you can write there, I mean, for example, console.log what I'm thinking, for example. Okay, we can write the number of round, for example, console log, we make the number of round. It is just an example there. Okay, when we press enter or not to enter, we can console now to close the group by group and like so. Okay, like a method when we press enter. Okay, congratulations. We have a group like this. Okay, inside we have, you know, all information should be displayed there, which is the name, the place, and the number of file. Congratulations, you are using the console.group and the console group. And in order to uh, display the group, I hope that you love this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I will see you next video.